Hi everyone, I hope you guys are well. And in today's video, I'm gonna do first a huge announcement and then I'm gonna do an unboxing. So stay until the end if you want to see what I have to unbox. So the first announcement that I want to make, and the huge announcement, is Whatnot is officially launching in Europe. Yes, you heard me well. And especially for the luxury category. So I'm so excited because if you don't know, my name is Margot, alias margavalux. I have with Vincent, my partner, a business where we sell luxury pre-loved handbags and accessories on the website bamluxurystore.com. And we will be one of the first resellers on the platform Whatnot officially in France. Yes! So I'm super excited actually because I've been following Whatnot for over a year and a half now, and I've been asking to be on Whatnot, a seller, since a year, more or less, and finally we are on Whatnot. Whatnot is open for the luxury category in France, and it's going to open more and more in Europe. So if you are a business like us, feel free to join the Whatnot platform. It's going to be amazing. This is a huge thing. So I'm going to explain you what Whatnot is, what it's going to look like, etc. But Whatnot, most of all, is a live shopping platform, an application, or you can go directly on your computer as well. On this live shopping app, you can directly buy whatever you want and what we show, and you can also participate to auctions. This is insane. So if, for example, during our first live, we present an item that we buy directly, you can buy it directly inside the app without going into our website. So you can buy directly during the live shopping inside the app itself. And if, for example, I have a bag that I want to auction, I'm going to start like a chrono and say, for example, this bag, I'm going to start the auction at €1, like €1, let's go. And so you have an auction like on most platforms, like classic auctions, but directly inside the live shopping app. This is insane. I'm so happy it's finally available for Europe. It was for the US for a long time. So if you know this app, let us know if you like it or not. What do you advise us? But we will make our first live July 18, like first day, July 18. So for the first live, we will do it with Chloé Penel, which is a French influencer in the luxury category. And I'm so excited because we've been working with her for a long time now. She's a friend of us. She's coming to Barcelona to do the live because we are based in Barcelona. We are two Frenchy, but based in Barcelona. We ship worldwide already. The live will be available for worldwide. If you are from the US, the UK, or any other place, we ship worldwide, also within the Whatnot app. Very good news. Whatnot and us, we offer free shipping for the first lives. So you will have to pay shipping first, and then Whatnot will give you back the money. So super excited. You will have probably to pay customs upon arrival if you are outside of Europe. I will let you know what's the price, actually, more or less. We will try to have the information because we already have clients in Canada, USA, UK. So we do actually start to know approximately the prices, also in Dubai and every other place. So to join us on July 18, you will need to download the application. This is a free app, or you can go directly on your computer. So this is an app available on iOS and Android. And you will have to subscribe. You have my link in description that offers you, I think, like between 10 and 15 euro for your first order. So enjoy it. You have my link to subscribe to Whatnot app. I'm super excited. This is going to be epic. And one question you might have is, no, it's not going to replace the backdrop day that we do on Wednesday. It's going to be another live during the week. So we are not going to do one live. We're going to do 2 lives per week. We start with 2 live in July, and then we will start again in September. August is always more quiet, so we will need to figure it out. We are testing the app, and then we will start again in September. So once you are in the app, I'm going to show you here a screenshot. You will need to click on it. You appear on, I would say, like a homepage, like marketplace homepage with live shopping. You have different categories. So you have Pokemon cards. Yes, this is a thing. This is a huge business, actually. Pokemon cards, you have clothing, you have so many things. And now you have a French category for luxury. Yeah. So depending on where you are connected, you will see lives from your own country, but you can have access also to different other countries, which is amazing. You have a little flag in front of each live that tells you where the live is from, but you can buy anywhere in the world. This is the good news. So we will be live and you can buy anywhere in the world. We will be doing the live in either English and French, so we will be doing both. So if you have questions, I really advise you to start downloading the app and save the live, our live, because I really want to see you supporting us. Please do it, support us. Even if you don't have to buy anything, come during the live, save the live. I'm going to show you how to do it. Go on our profile page, save a live, and then join us on July 18 to show some love, comment, and say hi. And it's very new for us, so I would really hope that it will work, obviously. So how it works is like it's between a social media like Instagram, TikTok when we are on live on it. But when we are on live on TikTok and Instagram, you need to go out of the social media and then go on our website in order to buy. And this can be long. This now you can directly buy within the app. So when you subscribe, you will have to give delivery address, shipping address, and also to give like bank contacts or credit card or PayPal, I think they accept, and in order to bid or to buy anything. So you can subscribe without giving this information, and during the live you do it so, but I would really advise you to do it so before, when you go on your profile, edit them and put all the information. This way you are fully ready for the live and you don't lose any seconds. Because as you know, some items goes very fast. Every second counts actually. So don't miss your timing. But no, it's going to be just amazing. So you have different categories, how I was saying. You can also look for a profile for us, for example. You can give comments. You can sometimes see our shopping, like our boutique shop. So you can shop anytime on it if we have like items available. You can offer us like a tip if you want, feel free. You can also see what auctions like and what lives are coming, and you can see previous lives. So this is actually very nice. The app is so well done. I'm just going to show you on the screen how it looks like when you bid an item actually. So I will show you, for example, like a bag, and I will give you like explanation. And once I say okay, go, the auction starts, I can actually start at €1, €1 or like 10, 100, anything that I want. And then once it's started, you will have a button down below the screen and you will have to slide it if you want to be the winner. If you bid if you won the bid, like the auction, you will have to buy the item. So this is going to be so fun. It's going to be super, super fun. We will have much fun. Like anytime when we have a live, it's always like very good energy, good vibe. It's going to be even more. Like I'm excited. And something I did not told you before, we are going to make a giveaway during the live. So please consider subscribing to the app and join us, because we will be giving away some item. So if you want to have the chance to win it, it's going to be a luxury item, of course. You will have to be here during the live. So, and also we are one of the first company with some others to join like Whatnot in France for the luxury category. So I hope you will have more choice then later. I hope like other business will see the advantages that Whatnot is, because it is. You have like a real live shopping experience within the app. You don't have to go out of the app to shop. So this is actually insane. It's also super secure. This is a US company, so it's like very, very secure in terms of data. It's gonna be, and it's so well done. Like, you can see how much I'm excited actually about the project. And also another tips, when we start the live, you will have like a note, like a post-it note. I really advise you to read it. You will have lots of information that can help you, like be very important. So also be free to read this note. We will try to make 2 live in July, like I was saying, and then we will start again in September. So yeah, I think we will do like live with other influencers. I really hope so, to make some collab and so on. So it can be like very good fun. If you have any idea concerning like Whatnot, any tips, because you are already on it as a seller or a buyer, please feel free to comment this video to help us also. But yeah, I think it's gonna be like very good fun, so please feel free to subscribe to the application. You have my link down below, and well, to join us during the live. So we will go through now the unboxing. I'm super excited. Also by this, I had this unboxing to make for a long time now. I didn't have the time before because it's one of my birthday gifts that I had way later, but I'm gonna explain you in the video just after. So yeah, let's go for part 2 of the video. They were not on my wish list, I know. Well, kind of, because I was looking for something specific, couldn't find it, and I think I'm not being able to find it, and find these beauties. So to let you know a little bit, I'm living in Barcelona, I'm French, and my parents came to visit us like for a few days. They come almost like every 2 months. They love Barcelona. Well, who doesn't actually? Have you ever been to Barcelona or not? Well, where are you from, by the way? This is a question I wanted to ask forever. If you're watching, where are you from? Let me know in the comments. I'm always super curious of where are the people that watch my channel, actually. So, well, anyway, so my parents came to visit us. I had to vlog a little bit and wanted to make a shopping vlog. So the shopping vlog will release, I don't know when. I need to prepare it. But I hope you will enjoy it also and support my channel. So yeah, so my parents came, we made some different shops. My mom wanted to go to Dior. She bought actually a bag at Dior, a Lady Dior. I will try to find the photo here from the Riviera collection, new collection. I was supposed to make like the unboxing with her, but it was not possible in the end. It was super complicated, no time and whatever. So we went to Hermès, of course. So we went to a few different stores. You will see, I will let you know why, da-da-da-da-da-da. But yeah, we went to Hermès again. I was looking for a specific item that I couldn't find. I was also asking how was the wish list, whatever, because it's changing right now in Europe. They are redoing everything. Everything will be connected in Europe. So far, it was only country per country. But right now, they're working on a European system. It's going soon to be like available. So be careful if you were buying to resell. Don't do it anymore within Europe because it's all gonna be connected. Anyway, so I saw these on Instagram first. Like on a post last week. And it was like, oh my god, they're amazing. I love them. So I was like, yeah, why not trying them if I have them in store? But I don't think so because I never saw them in store. So things being said, we got to Hermès. Very lucky, no one in the queue. We enter, and at this very exact moment, my essay comes. I was like, yay, no waiting list. Perfect. So there were people in front of us in the list, but she arrived at the good moment, and she's my essay, so you know. So we directly went to her, started to talk, and she asked me what I want for my mom too. My mom found a pair of shoes that is amazing. I will try to show you, but I had the video actually, I think. These are gorgeous. The color is like between a red, orange. Lovely. I almost also bought them, but I saw something else that is here. So here are they. Let's open this together. I'm super excited because it's amazing. So as you guessed, shoes it is. And can you guess what type of shoes? So I originally wanted the Empire sandals because I have one pair in black leather and I love them. I clearly love them. They're more expensive than the Chypre, but the sole is Chypre and it's a Kelly kind of clothing on the top, so it's beautiful. It's very chic, less big as the Chypre because the Chypre does not suit me. It's lovely on some people, on me not really. For now, I don't really like them, so you know. And I saw these ones online on Instagram, love them, and I was like, ooh, I wish I could like try them, but never saw them in store in Barcelona, or at least in this color. I go there and I found them exact same color. I asked my essay for my size. I'm a 37, true 37. They have them. Like they had, I think, 2 sizes available left. And I was like, ah. By the way, guys, if you're looking for go mules for women in Barcelona, they have them right now. I saw them. I will put you the photo on the screen. This is the ones I bought recently and I returned because they were horrible for me. but they have them, so go for it because it's very complicated to get. I was waiting for 2 years in order to get them. Anyway, let's open these babies. I'm very happy because I already love them so much. I did not wear them. This is the first time I unbox them, actually. Look at these. These are the extra from Hermès. Suede leather, beige suede leather. Beautiful, size 37 for me. This is my true size. Don't change. So this is the same sole as the ship, as you can see, and my Empire, which is actually cool. But these are different, a bit less crying Hermès, more discreet, I would say, even though it's like famous. Price in Europe was 710 or 720 euro maximum. I think 710 euro. Beautiful. My mom bought other shoes, but yeah, these were kind of amazing. I'm super excited actually because I saw them and like a few days after I got to a store and I found them. First time I actually asked something and they have them. So this is good, at least. So new shoes for summer, super happy. I'm going to Paris for the Hermès private sale. I'm so excited. I was invited by a client, super happy. Thank you. I know if she's watching this video, but in case, thank you. I'm so excited to go. This is my first time going to private sale in Paris. They have them in January and June, mostly every year. Before it was for anybody. You would just have to make a queue. And now you need to get invited. I am not invited. I'm not a good client in France anyway. And in Spain, I don't think there are private sale, or I don't know. So if you know, let me know. But it's Paris mostly. But yeah, so I'm going to the private sales. I'll let you know what I bought or not. Maybe I'm not going to find anything. I hope I'm not going to find this one on like a private sale price. I'm very pissed. But anyway, so yeah, I will try. I want to buy maybe like a silk scarf that I can wear as a top. So it's the 90 size, I believe. I need to try it actually. I would like maybe like a bracelet, shoes, depending on what they have. Pret-à-porter, I need to check. I don't think they have bags, unfortunately, of course. It would be so amazing. But yeah, you know, let's see what I can get if I find something that I like. And if I find I can find something also for my mom because she wanted some few stuff. So let's see. And I'll probably make an unboxing for you. I'll see you soon. Thank you so much for being around. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and comment. And yeah, so happy. What do you think about these? Do you like them or not? Do you have them or not? Anyway, see you soon. Bisous!